Hello everyone, I am Akash and you're watching Nutshell Programming. So, in the last tutorial we have discussed about the nested loop. In this tutorial we will discuss about the commands feature. So, basically why commands are used in Python? Because whenever developer want to create any program, he has to write the code, and whenever the code is too big, so you have to type the commands for the user to get the information about the code. So where we have just created any feature, we have any created any function, so he just give the information about the code with the comments. So here you can use the comments like I always do. You have to just write the hashtag this program is lit. I'm going to run this. You can see this is program number 1. So whatever is inside the print is got printed, but you can see there is another line which is hashtag this program is lit, but this line is not got printed in our output because I'm using hashtag before this line. That's why this line is right now a comment. I'm going to type another hashtag and I am a Python developer. So you can see we have two lines here, and third line is this is program number 1. You can see in the output that only one line, which is this is program number 1, which is inside the print statement, is got printed because these two upper lines are inside the hashtag. These two are comments. You can also declare the comments like this. Just type quotation 3 times, and inside these quotation you can type anything you want. You can give the information about the code to the user, like I'm just doing just blah blah blah, anything abcd whatever I'm going to type here will not affect our program. So I'm just typing anything here and I'm going to run this program, and let's see what our output will be. So we have here many comments and run this program. So you can see our output is simple as that. This is program number 1. Our output is same as before because these all are comments line, so these cannot be shown in the output. These lines are just for the users to better interact with the code. So you can declare with the hashtag, you can declare with the quotation marks. Usually whoever the expert developers use the hashtag because they think that hashtag is more comfortable with their code. So that was all about this comments feature in Python. You can write any big program and you can use also comments to give the better interaction with the user. So it was all about this video. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.